Good morning. Day 7 on the Appalachian Trail. Doing my first slack packing day and doing it with good friends. We are hitting some Rocky Mountain, Indian Grave, back to Unicoi. I'm gonna get just a little quick hike in up this mountain and show these kids what I've been doing. And I'm up on my caboose right now, whatever. They're up ahead, but it's just turned into a beautiful day. There's really not a cloud in the sky today, and that much beats the soaked weather for the last couple of days anyway. And so I tell you what, it's much easier to hike, first of all, without 20 pounds on your back, or 30, and without a pack, and with sunshine. So my fair weather hiker gene has kicked in, and I am super grateful and super happy. All right, I'll catch you down the trail. Packing. But this is going to be kind of a big one. I've got 12 miles to do today. Going from Trade Gap to Dix Creek Gap. I didn't have a slack packing bag or a day pack. I've got a little girl's Kavu bag and started out the day to have some wind on the other side of the mountain over here and some sputtering rain. And it's not looking good. So I'm like, okay, well, no problem. I'll go ahead and put on my poncho, get started so I won't get too wet, because I just started like step 15. I'm already out of breath. Anyway, I pull it out. It's my pack liner. I don't have a poncho. So this should be pretty interesting. We'll see how the day goes. I'm hopeful that if I get soaked, I don't get hypothermia, because I have my rain gear. Again, slack packing. Welcome to the AT. Day 9. I think I messed up yesterday. I'm not even quite sure what day it is. But here we go. Trade Mountain to Dix Creek. And from Dix Creek, hey, I'm going to be cruising to the border. It's awesome. Making haste. There we go. Where I've hit this bald. And it's got some jagged rock. And then, of course, we don't get a view today, but I think I've hit the top of Trade Mountain in all of his windy glory. Just because this trail can be so technical and tricky. Here we go. Let's see what that is. Marker. Letting us know for the rest of eternity what this mountain's name is. Alright, I guess I'm gonna start my way back down. That was a quick little summit area, but I'm about to get in the wind, and again, it's just something to think about for those of you going out for day hikes or able to slack pack on the AT even, or any trail, that you really need to be prepared